What up, YouTube? On this episode, I get to test out some new equipment. So I took advantage of Amazon Prime and I got me a new phone. I went from iPhone 13 Pro Max to iPhone 15. And also, I updated my microphone. I went from just a cheap little one to DJI Mini. I watched a little tutorial on how to use the microphone. Right now I got the noise cancellation setting turned on. Also on the iPhone, I'm recording in log. I think it's ProRes log. That's what they recommended. So we'll see if there's a difference. Before, the first couple of videos I was doing was like 1080p. Then I noticed I could do 4K on my old phone. Now I'm doing 4K on this one, but with the log and with the new mic. So we'll see if the quality of the video improves. But yeah, I'm excited. Today, it's a rainy day. It's kind of yucky outside. It's going to be a chest and shoulders day. Last week was funny because on the incline bench, we ended up loading it up 10 pounds too heavy. I got one rep, but really that's not what I was going to do. So this time we should start with the right weight, and we'll see how many reps I can get on that. I like putting that early because when you're the beginning of the workouts, when you're the most fresh, so you want to do the most challenging exercises in the beginning. But yeah, let's get into it. For this movement, I always like to go with a warm-up set, especially before heavy, just to get the blood pumping, to really practice the form, make sure all that is correct before you go up too heavy. So just nice and slow warm up. It's funny, my triceps are actually still sore from arm day. If I look at the last time I did this, all right, so last time I did 2 reps, so I got to beat that. Here we go. I had to get my whole butt off the seat to get underneath it. Ooh. I'll take it. All right, so 4. All right, now it's going to be a drop set. So just 2 plates. Ooh. All right, maybe some negatives. One more. All right. Yep. Next workout is shoulder press. Last week I added a 25 plate and then I did 7 reps. I'm not gonna add the plate, it was kind of squeaky. So since I'm already doing the full stack, I think I'm gonna just do more than one set to reach failure. Here we go. There goes my hero. All right, so the gym's playing Foo Fighters, so I gotta turn up. So the cable machine is being used right now, so we're gonna use this for flies. Ooh, those might be too far back. All right. So I did 210 last. I'm gonna go a little bit heavier because I want to hit failure for sure. So I'm gonna try 220. Next workout is dumbbell ladder raises, seated. But we're gonna do it pyramid style. So I'll start heavy and then go down and really burn them out. Well, I'm gonna lean forward a little. All right, so one set with 30. Immediately after, next set with 20. All right, and then the next set will be with 10. So this is just really burning them out. With these by the end, that 10 feels just as heavy as the 30. So I accidentally grabbed a 20 and a 15. Yeah, don't do that. All right, so this one I'm gonna do 20, then 10. All right, one more set with the seated lateral raise. I like these because you get the volume, get the blood pumping into them. You get a really good pump doing these. All right. Yep, so by the end, they're blown up when you do this. All right, rear delt. Last week I did 110 for 7. I noticed my right arm was a little bit weaker, so I'm gonna do that first and then just match it with my left. All right, 11. All right, last set I did 110, so I'm gonna do a drop set at 90. All right. All right, last set. workout complete. I'll tell you what, this week might have been the best week so far in this cut. The first week, I think I went way too low in my calories and I had zero energy. And this week though, 180, 10 times better. So the past 2 weeks, probably I've been doing one set to failure and not really getting sore, but every week I was getting stronger. So it was working. I was getting stronger, but I wasn't getting really sore. And I don't know if that's necessarily a bad thing. Probably not, right? You know, I'm getting stronger. I'm not really getting sore. Maybe that's the sweet spot. But this week we decided to do 2 sets. And 2 sets compared to 1, that's double the amount. And let me tell you, I am so sore. My triceps are still sore from the arm day. My quads are starting to get sore from leg day. And I'm pretty sure tomorrow I'm going to be hurting in the chest and shoulders from doing those extra sets. So you got to listen to the body. Body's telling me right now, tomorrow's got to be a rest day. We got to rest, let the body recover. Shoot, I might even take another rest day or so before going back into it. But be mindful, you know, don't be afraid to take an extra rest day if need be, because you could be overtraining. That's a common mistake with everyone, is overtraining. So we definitely don't want to make that mistake. With that said though, we definitely pushed it. 2 sets, I am on fire. 1 set, I was not. Now, the question will be, is if I rest right, okay? And when I come back next week, will I be stronger, okay? And if so, by how much? So that'll be kind of the test to see how much stronger I got from the 2 sets if I rest enough. And from there, I'll decide what makes the most sense. Is it 1 set or 2 sets? With that said though, we're almost at 100 subscribers, guys. We got to 70 yesterday. We're getting close. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.